What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's Glitch Edits today, and got Unlocked Noobs.
Unlocked Noobs. And today we're gonna be playing a little bit of Animal Company because we have no other idea what else we should do today.
Yacht.
Shut up. Alright, well, wait a minute, we gotta play a little bit of GameCube. Full piece, 200. Alright, bet. Let's go.
Alright.
Leave in the comments section what we should play next, depending on what you like. And we actually just got this game, so we're gonna go check out some stuff. Well, I did, so we're gonna go check out.
My fingers. It is time to go scare him. My arms. What is up?
Yo, bro, you ain't tell me you look like that in there.
What?
Oh, you laggy.
What?
Bro, look it down here, bro. Bro, this. Oh, nah, bro.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, nah.
Something right there. Something right there. I understand.
I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah. How do you always fall for that? Where did you
Oh,
go?
nope. I heard a vroom, vroom. Alright, bet, let's go. Come on. Why you always being the one scared?
Nah, bro. Nah, because I heard something. Plus, I'm trying to fix my controller because it keeps like. Not
You always the
connecting.
one being the scaredy cat.
It's not
I'm gonna have to go
connecting.
myself.
Like if it's not in here, it just disconnect. Alright, I'm going. Where's the yacht?
Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah, I see a clone. I see a decoy up in that mug. Nope. Nope. No way.
Why is your voice echoing? Hold on, let me try to fix this control. Where did he go? Oh my god, bro.
Wait, bro. Actually, come here. You actually come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I need to show you this, bro.
My arm.
Bro, come on. Wait, I need to show you this actually. Yo, bro, this is actually crazy. Bro,
Oh,
you
heck
see that down there?
what?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, nah. How did it get so dark? You look weird.
Disgusting.
Disgusting black creature.
You're weird.
Ugh. Come here. I see.
What you mean you coming this way?
What? Somebody said that?
Nah, that spider though. Alright, so should we go forward? Should we go forward or left or right?
I don't know. Hold on.
Meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If you ought to let it go. Meeny, miny, mo. Meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If you ought to let it go. Meeny, miny,
He's
mo.
jiggling it. He's jiggling.
Shut up! Alright, we're gonna go middle.
Oh, heck no.
We gotta push middle.
Oh, nah. Oh, no. I heard something.
Stop being scared, little bro.
You don't get the audacity to call me little bro.
Says the man in the first video.
Nah, bro. You just got scared every time I just fake scream.
But who's the one who kept dying?
Well, yeah.
Not me.
Dying does not prove that fact, sir.
I'm still better.
It doesn't mean you're just better at outrunning them. Oh, frick, no. Where? Malevolent Shrine. What is up? Nah, what's down there? Geronimo!
Oh, Raga! Don't you even think about going down there, bro.
Geronimo! Frick, no.
I'm going down there with you.
Nah, Geronimo!
Nah, bro. I'm out this joint.
I'm not doing that.
I'm out of here, bro. I'm out. I'm out.
I ain't doing that. Nuh-uh. Frick, frick, frick.
Dude, help! Help!
Maharaga! Okay.
Bro, I think we're just stuck down here, bro. I think we're just stuck down here.
Nah, cause I
got a family, bro. I don't want to do this.
don't. No, please.
Help.
Please don't. Brother. For you.
I can't grab it, bro. Bro, we're stuck down here. We're stuck.
We can't be stuck.
Okay. We're gonna have to go throughout the caves and find our way back out.
Oh.
We're gonna have to go that way.
Oh,
I don't want to go anymore.
Oh, no.
I don't like this game. Oh, heck no. Help!
Maharaga.
Maharaga! Maharaga, help!
Maharaga, no. My arm. Please.
Dang it!
I heard something. I was like,
I'm not going then! Oh, heck no! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass out.
I don't like this game.
I don't like this game no more.
Help! My arm! Let go! Filthy black creature! No! Where's he at? Nah, did he get out?
Oh my god, I got up, boys. I made it.
Where? Help! 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 Don't leave me. What is that?
Yo! Oh no! Help! Help!
What?
I heard a voice say, "Don't leave me."
That was me.
Holy God, why did it sound distorted then?
Don't need me. Don't need me. Nah. Why this game gotta...
Holy God.
How'd you get over there?
I just climbed up, bro. What's that sound? What's that sound?
Ooh.
I heard a sound. It sounded like a creeper from Minecraft.
So first off, we're cooked, technically. Nah, we're cooked.
I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all enjoy.
This is torture to us.
This is torture, but for you guys, it's entertainment. Oh my lord.
Because if I try to wall run over there, I'm gonna practically fall.
Bro, we're just still here.
Nah.
I hope y'all can at least leave a like for this, bro.
Nah, because I saw something that looked exactly like you. Down there in that red thing. He was looking straight at...
What red thing?
Like in that red cave.
Do we go over in that one?
No, I almost fell. No! Please.
I'm jumping over where you... Help!
How did you do... Maharaga, help.
Me, please. Oh, nah! Oh, nah!
What?
Forget that!
What?
My screen just shake. Oh my lord, it said, I'm not doing that. Yeah.
Same here.
I got goosebumps.
I get those goosebumps every time. No. Whoa, hey, stop.
I don't want to get copyrighted, calm down. Yo, bro, I'm telling you, like my whole body, my legs, my arms, the back of my neck, I have goosebumps.
At this point, just jump scare us already. So we can go back.
Should we go to that cave?
Heck no.
The way how you looked at it. He said.
No. No, cause like, unlock noobs. I saw something like right in there. You see that red thing? That red cave? Oh. Whoa.
Whoa! I almost fell! I'm not doing that!
But you see that?
Should we go in there though? We gotta go in somewhere, bro. We gotta go in somewhere.
At this point, are we able to just like knock the wind out of each other? Why are you staring at me like that? Why are you staring at me like that though? Nah.
You staring at me like that?
Yo,
look at your eyes.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Okay. True question is, where do we go from here?
Wait, what?
The true question is, where do we go from here? Where do we go?
Quiet, man. What do we do? Your cheeks are literally making me.
Yo, calm down! It'd be nice if we had a flashlight.
Nah, I ain't doing none of this.
Where'd you go, bro?
I'm right here. No, why are we going over there? Why are we getting closer? Where did you go? I don't see you.
Oh my lord! Bro, why did the pitch of voice just change? Oh my lord, I hate you! Oh my god!
What? What did I do?
Bro, the pitch of voice changed! I swear, they give me a heart attack!
Why do you sound like you're like on a radio like right
bro,
now?
like I'm telling you, it distorted for a second, bro. Bro, we gotta go somewhere, bro.
Oh, no.
It's entertainment.
Nah, what's that? Oh, what's that? What is that? Dude, we should have played Scary Baboon instead, bro.
What a bug, so we can't do that.
Yo,
but they're probably gonna call us wuss.
Move your cheeks.
But calm down. But they're probably gonna call us wussies in the comments, though. I'm not gonna hold you.
Nah.
If you do, honestly, I do not blame you.
Yeah, I'm proud of it.
You proud of it? It's crazy.
I'm like Vegeta, bro. I'm proud of my ego.
Where did that ego's weak?
Nah, bro.
Because all it takes is like one word. Because all it takes is one word to break your ego.
You stupid nitnut.
Yo, calm down.
Yes.
Yo, calm down, man.
I'm about to go on my villain arc.
I'm not trying to get demonetized.
I'm going on my villain arc.
No.
Yes.
You're not allowed.
Why not? My arm! No!
Tell my face! I would have laughed at you if you don't fail.
My arm just got stuck.
Okay, so we can't go that way. Okay, so bro, we're forced to either go back that way or that way. Yo! Get the buns. Get them hamburger buns.
Yo! Shut up. Get your hot dog buns off. Get your hot dog buns.
Yeah! Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Calm down, man. Calm down.
You chill.
I hate how... I don't know what to believe.
Am I able to, like, die? Hold on.
Hey, is my voice distorted too?
Whoa, stop. What the heck was that?
What?
Nothing. I see you. I see you. Might wanna run. Where'd it go?
I'm gonna be honest with you, I was not saying anything though. How do you use it though? How do you use the radio?
Put your mouth on it. What is up?
Alright, bet. Let's
Over.
go.
Unlock noobs. Over.
Over. Glitch.
Yes.
Glitch.
Are you going? Are you going in? Oh, over.
Oh no! I see smoke! I see smoke! It's chasing me! Help! Help me! Help! 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 Help me! I hate this game.
Over.
Over. Yo, what the heck was that?
Oh nah. Well,
You're going. You're going first.
I'm not going.
You're going first. I was first to get in this game. You're going first.
I fell down multiple times, and I saw something like.
And I'm the one. And I'm the one.
Hold on. Shh, shh.
What is that creeper sound? Look at that.
Nah, why did I hear like blood?
Do we go in? Over.
No, over.
Well, that's too bad. Over.
I don't care. Womp womp. Over.
We need further views. Over.
I ate your mom. Over.
Your mother. Over.
Shut up. Over.
Let's go. Let's go in. Over.
Preconicus Muir. Alright. Oh, nah. That gives me vibes.
Oh, what is that? What is that? It looks like one of us. It looks like one of us. Boom. Boom. I was about to say something, but
Bro, I was about to sing Not Like Us.
no, no, not that.
Whoa. Nah, why do I hear creeper noises?
Okay, bro. I think. Do we just go back that way?
How do we go back?
Just walk. Duh.
Oh, I mean, like, I know that. Totally, I knew that. I totally knew
Do we
that.
go back? Over.
If you... My arm! Stop!
Is there any way to get out of here without having to go back to the entrance? Over.
No, over.
Did I hate this game? Over.
Me too.
All I gotta say is, put in the comments if you want to see us play this, and we're gonna put this as a part 1. So if you want to see a part 2,
My arm!
part 3,
What is he yapping about over
if
there?
you want to see a part 2, part 3, part 4, or whatever, and try and see if we can get more people. Maybe have a person in mind. Shut up. But if you want to see us do more of this and potentially scare ourselves half to death, let us know. Just please don't. Just please don't say yes. That's all we ask of you. Over.
Inside. Hold on. Stand still. Ew, what is ew? Nah, because how do we get out? Nah, cause how do we get out?
This way. Same way we came in.
Whoa, wait, how is there a way I can go over there, like, without falling?
Oh, nope.
Oh, freak!
Yeah. Just jump, bro. That's all I do. Just jump.
You saw something?
It's like you kind of got a wall scale.
Oh, hold on. Whoa, the thing is, I'm scared of falling down there.
You're not the only one.
What if I just, like, make a leap forward?
Is there any like
Ah!
type of... Yo, bro, yo.
Yeah.
Is there any way to like get out of here?
No. I mean, there is.
There's actually a tracker. There's a tracker
Where?
for each other though. Like yo.
Yo.
Yo. Over.
Alright.
What's good in my gang? Over.
It's good in my game. Over again. Yo, yo, yo! Alright, I'm making a leap. What?
Bro, you better get over here or I'm leaving you.
Oh, freak! I got it! No! No! Yo. This is sketchy.
Yo.
Alright.
Think. Alright, bet.
Where'd you... God, please help! God, please!
Yo.
Please! God, please!
Oh god. Alright. So, we're finally out of there. I hate this update with all my soul.
I can't feel my legs.
Ah,
Finally! I see
please never,
light!
please
I
never
see
say in the
light.
comments.
I see the
Oh,
light. I see
Please
the light.
never say in the comments for us to go. Do that again.
I see the light.
Because
Finally.
that was horrifying. Let's scale this tree real quick.
Oh, what the heck?
What the heck is up here?
Come on.
There's nothing up here.
Should we go back in there? No, I'm just kidding.
Heck no. Got me freaked up.
True. Ah! Got me freaked.
I turn off that music, bro. That's horrifying. I'm getting vibes to that
Skona.
area that we were just in. Well, that was mainly the video. Hope you guys enjoyed us being tortured.
Oh no, what is this? Oh no!
Yo, bro, what's in here, bro?
Mr. Idiot play. No, the idiots play.
Yo, bro, wait, bro, we should go on the rocket ship. We should go on the rocket ship.
It's not a rocket ship. Oh, trust me, don't go in there.
What's in here?
Don't ask. Go in there. I'll close it. I'll close it. You can't
Heck
even close
no.
it. Actually, never mind.
Run, run! No,
Oh, I think you like. Hold on. I know something.
You do it first. You go under first.
I wonder where it sends. Oh no, I know where it
I
sends.
dare you to
at.
go in first.
I know
Where?
where it sends us. at. It sends us somewhere
Where?
we should not be.
I dare you to go in there first.
No, I'm not going in there. It's like you can't. Like you have to. Like, no. I'd rather go in these headsets.
What's in the headsets? Let's go.
It's like let me see. It's kind of like a obby kind of.
We can get new items.
You have to
I'm
kill.
gonna go
people.
on these heads. How do you? Oh wait, there's a royale mode. I'm correct.
There is.
Okay, let's go on the headsets.
All right. How do you pin them on?
Welcome to the no man's land.
Oh heck nah. Yo, unlock noobs. Yo, unlocked. Yeah, he's not here, bro. Let's go. Oh, I have to pick something. Let's see. Football. Oh. Nah, you look so goofy doing that. How is he turning? Yo. How is his work? It's messed up. So. Oh, you have to pick a weapon. Okay.
From Fortnite.
Oh my god.
Where did you go, bro? Where did you go, bro? Why did you go in, bro?
I was still picking.
You can't. That's not how you buy items.
Oh, that's not.
You can, but you can be. Well, you can buy items from in there also. Manually buy it.
Oh,
it's better in my opinion.
But like when I put on the headset, it didn't do anything.
You have to grab it.
Oh.
And then put it on your face.
Alright, let's go then. Is that you?
This is the no man's land.
What is up?
What is goody? My gang.
Welcome to no man's land, where there's no escape.
I repeat, there's dynamite.
There is. There is.
Come here. You have to grab this. You have to grab this gem and then pull it down. Hey.
How do you grab?
Got it. You have to pay money. Oh. You have to pay the in-game currency.
Oh, well, I don't have that. That's the exit. So where do we go?
Alright, well I guess we're gonna leave this place because there's nothing over here.
We have exited the no man's land. Frick.
Yo, bro! Bro, that's the most goofiest dance I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Bro, oh,
it was like I was swimming in a pool, bro. Let us go.
Alright, well, that's probably gonna be it. Not even probably. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed our schemes and horrification.
Yeah! No, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna play some GameCube real quick. But also, I appreciate it very much. We're almost at 10 subscribers.
And guys, let's try to hit 20 subscribers by the end of February.
Bing. There we go.
Let's try to hit 20 subscribers by the end of February. Thank you all for your support.
And we will see you next time.
Peace.
Hope you guys have a good day, good night, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. So, bye, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm buff. Well, peace.